Winches provide reliable pulling power, helping recover stuck vehicles safely from mud, snow, sand, and steep terrain during off-road adventures. Today's video is about top 5 best winches for off-road recovery that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Nylite Waterproof Winch for Towing. The Nylite 3,500 pounds ATV/UTV electric winch is a dependable recovery tool built for off-road adventures and demanding towing tasks. Powered by a 12V DC heavy-duty motor with a 1.93 HP pure copper permanent magnet design, it delivers an impressive 3,500 pound pulling capacity, making it ideal for freeing vehicles stuck in mud, sand, or rough terrain. Its durable synthetic rope is lighter, stronger, and safer than traditional steel cables, while the 153:1 planetary gear system provides smooth, quiet, and reliable pulling performance. Built with a waterproof satin black cast aluminum housing and a sealed motor, this winch offers excellent resistance to rain, corrosion, and UV exposure for long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward thanks to color-coded wiring and included mounting hardware. It also features both an 82-foot wireless remote and a 10-foot wired controller, giving you flexible operation in any situation. Complete with mounting accessories, fairlead, winch cover, and control box, the Nylite 3,500 pounds winch is an excellent choice for ATVs, UTVs, trailers, boats, jeeps, and other off-road vehicles that require reliable recovery power. Now our second product is Open Road Boat Trailer Winch. The heavy-duty 3,500 pounds boat trailer winch is a reliable and durable solution for towing, loading, and recovering heavy equipment with ease. Designed with dual gear ratios of 4:1 and 8:1, it provides the perfect combination of pulling power and efficient operation, making it suitable for a variety of demanding tasks. Constructed from premium galvanized steel, this winch offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh marine environments. Its heat-treated high-carbon steel components add extra strength and durability for years of dependable use. The included 32-foot by 2-inch polyester strap features a sturdy stainless steel hook with a safety pawl, providing secure and reliable towing. A 9.8-inch ergonomic, non-slip crank handle reduces hand fatigue while making heavy loads easier to move. The two-way, two-speed ratchet mechanism delivers smooth and controlled operation for lifting, lowering, or positioning cargo. Easy to install and highly portable, this winch is ideal for boat trailers, trucks, ATVs, jet skis, sailboats, and utility trailers. It's an excellent choice for anyone needing dependable manual towing performance. Our third product is Convoy Boat Trailer Winch with Strap. The 3,500 pounds heavy-duty hand winch is a dependable and versatile tool designed for towing, loading, and recovery applications. With a strong pulling capacity of 3,500 pounds and a durable 33-foot polyester strap, it provides the strength needed to handle boats, trailers, vehicles, and other heavy loads with confidence. Its dual-speed 4:1 and 8:1 gear ratios make operation easier by reducing manual effort while allowing you to switch between faster winding for lighter loads and maximum pulling power for heavier tasks. The two-way ratchet system ensures smooth forward and reverse operation, giving you greater control during loading and unloading. Built with thick and high-carbon steel gears and a corrosion-resistant galvanized finish, this winch is designed to withstand harsh outdoor and marine environments. The wear-resistant polyester strap adds durability for long-term use. An ergonomic 10.2-inch anti-slip handle minimizes hand fatigue and can be removed for convenient storage and transport. Easy to install with a reinforced mounting base, this winch is an excellent choice for boat trailers, vehicle recovery, material handling, and a wide range of towing jobs. Now number 4, TYT Boat Trailer Winch. The TYT 600 pounds hand crank winch is a compact and reliable solution for light-duty towing, lifting, and hauling tasks. Built with heavy-duty steel construction, it delivers a 600-pound pulling capacity and includes a durable 19-foot black polyester strap, making it ideal for small boats, trailers, lawn equipment, and other everyday applications. Its zinc black plated finish provides excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, while the hardened high-carbon steel gears with a 3.2:1 gear ratio ensure smooth, efficient operation and long-lasting durability. The ergonomic curved crank handle features a comfortable anti-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue and making manual cranking easier during extended use. The two-way ratchet system allows both forward and reverse operation, giving you better control when lifting, towing, or positioning loads. A safety pawl mooring hook adds extra security throughout the job. With a compact design, standard mounting holes, and simple installation, this winch is easy to transport and set up wherever it's needed. For anyone seeking an affordable, durable, and easy-to-use manual winch for lighter-duty applications, the TYT 600 pounds hand winch is a dependable choice. And our last choice is US Cargo Control Standard Sliding Winch. The standard double L sliding flatbed winch is a dependable cargo securement solution designed for professional trucking and heavy-duty hauling. Built to slide smoothly along double L winch tracks, it allows you to position tie-down points exactly where they're needed, making it easy to secure loads of different sizes. Once tension is applied, the winch locks firmly in place for reliable holding power. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a durable black-painted finish, each winch is built to withstand harsh weather and demanding road conditions. With an impressive 5,500-pound working load limit, it provides the strength and confidence required for transporting heavy cargo safely. The winch can store up to 20 feet of 4-inch webbing, helping keep excess strap neatly contained while providing enough length for securing larger loads. It is compatible with 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch straps, offering excellent versatility across various hauling applications. Sold as a pack of 5, these sliding winches are a practical, durable, and efficient choice for flatbed trailers, ensuring secure cargo transport and dependable performance on every trip. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.